Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to restack in Substack. First, go and log into your Substack account and make sure that you're in your home section. Restacking is like reposting. It lets you share another writer's post with your own subscribers, giving their work more visibility and introducing your audience to content you think is worth reading. Here, you will see different posts that you can restack. Now, to do it, underneath the post, you will see a restack icon. It looks like two arrows forming a circle, so click on it. Substack will give you a couple of options for how you want to restack. The first option is a simple restack. This just shares the post to your feed so your readers can see it. Think of it as a quick one-click repost. The second option is restack with a note. With this, you can add your short comment or reaction before sharing it. It is a great way to give context, highlighting why you liked the post or explain why you think your readers should check it out. Once done, just click on the post button. Once you choose your option, the post will appear in your activity feed. And that's just basically it. That's how you restack in Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.